My name is Debbie Ryan. I'm from Lafayette, Louisiana with the Aesthetic Boutique Luxury Med Spa. I'm the marketing director for Michele Landry, nurse practitioner. And this is our second time here together. She's been here before. And Dori is just amazing. I can't say enough wonderful things about her. She's given us extra special attention, and I always take away something new. And at the last conference, I took away information about artificial intelligence that I didn't even know existed, which has cut my creative time down significantly and really helped me in marketing our business. And Dori's just amazing, and this is the best conference that I've been to in 20 years.